Welcome to part 12 of Linux Zero to Expert, my favorite video of the whole series, because this is where Linux's soul lives. The Unix philosophy, many small tools, each doing one thing brilliantly, designed to snap together like Lego. The connector is the pipe, the searcher is grep, and redirection saves the results. Master these, and you'll routinely solve in one line what takes other people a Python script. Everything from parts 1 through 11 starts combining right now. Let's snap some blocks together. The vertical bar, the pipe, feeds the output of one command into the next, and it changes everything. You've already used it. PS AUX pipe grep. Now feel the philosophy. ls pipe wc counts files. Do pipe sort ranks folders by size. Each tool is trivial alone. Sort sorts. Unit counts duplicates. Head takes the top. But chained, they answer real questions. Look at the last example. From a web log. Find lines with error 500. Extract the IP column. Sort. Count duplicates. Rank. Top 5. The 5 IPs causing the most errors. In one line. No programming. The pro technique. Build chains incrementally. Run. At a stage. Run again. You're debugging as you compose. Grep finds lines matching a pattern, and it's the most used search tool in computing. The daily trio of flags, -I ignores case, -V inverts, show everything except matches, perfect for filtering noise, and -C just counts. -N adds line numbers for when you're heading into an editor. The heavy hitter is -R. Search an entire folder tree. Where is this API key referenced? One command. And here's a debugging gem. -B and -A show lines before and after each match, because the lines before a crash are usually the actual story. With -E you unlock regular expressions, patterns like 50 bracket 0 to 9, a deep rabbit hole, but even simple ones multiply grep's power. Third superpower, redirection, sending output where you want it. One angle bracket writes to a file, overwriting it, two brackets append. That single versus double distinction has eaten many homework files. Learn it once. Now the subtle bit. Programs have two output streams, normal output and errors. Two angle bracket captures just the errors. The incantation 2&1 merges both into one file. That's how you log a deploy script completely. /devnull is the void. Redirect there to silence noise forever. And T splits the stream. Results flow onto your screen and into a file simultaneously. Output to files, files to input, errors tamed. The Lego set is complete. Let's solve a real incident with nothing but Legos. The site was slow around 2 p.m. Why? Step 1. Slice the log to the time window with grep and save it. Now the haystack is small. Step 2. Count the 500s. 847 errors. It's real, not vibes. Step 3. The pattern you'll use forever. Extract the endpoint column with awk. Full awk lesson next video. Then sort unix-c, sort-rn, head. The checkout API accounts for 812 of them. Found it. Step 4. Zoom in with grep-b3 around the timeouts to read what happened just before each one. For lines, no scripts, no dashboards. Just small tools, snapped together. That's the Unix philosophy paying rent. Part 12 complete. And if one video changes how you work forever, it's this one. You think in pipelines now. Pipe to connect, grep to find, redirect to save, and the count and rank pattern for instant analytics. Homework. Take any log on your system and find its top 3 most common lines using the unix-c pattern. 60 seconds. Do it. Next, part 13. Sed and awk, the two power tools I've been teasing. Find and replace across 1,000 files. Column surgery on any data. The last 2 Lego pieces before we start writing actual scripts in part 14. See you there.